Price of natural gas is trading around 2.8617. So what we can see, the price of natural gas will move on Monday. If you look at this particular trend, there is an upside we have seen, but if you see this particular pattern, we have seen this pattern is getting narrow. Okay, chances will be very high. If that sustained, we can see it can move towards 2.864, and from there it will cross a level of 2.867, and from there there is a probability of going to 2.88, and then from there it will cross this particular level, because this is the zone and this pattern is supporting an upside, so we can see it will move above 2.9. Then chance of further upside can be seen towards a level of 2.99, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $3, because there will be a zone breakout. Okay, during the war, with what we have seen, that if the price, because we will see that there will be import and export differences. Okay, because of the lane war, where war situation is going on. Okay, so probability can be high. If it keep moving up $3, a further upside can be seen, but if it keep moving below 2.7, a further fall can be seen. Okay, looking for a 2 hour chart, so you will understand how the price of natural gas can move on Monday. See, if you look at this trend, what we have seen, there was a gap down which was filled at this level, but the gap down at toward 3.29 is still pending, and a level of around 3.7. Okay, these are the levels where the gap down is still pending. So we can see, if it keep moving up that level and goes above a level of $2.9, chances are it will cross that level, and from there it will move above a level of 2.93, which is a weak level. Then from there it will move towards $3.13 after crossing 3, and if the price going up this level, probability is high, it can move towards $3.28. From there, a probability of going towards 3.55, then to a level of $3.59. Okay, and then this gap can be filled towards 3.7, and if the price rising above this level, a further upside can be seen. So trail your SL by around 0.15, so at least we'll capture upside movement. But if it keep moving below a level of $2.8, there is a higher chance of further fall, because if it keep moving below that level, chance of going towards 2.7 will be there, then a further downfall. So trail your SL by around 0.15, because chances are high that we can see it will fall further low towards 2.7, then a probability of going towards 2.6150 will be there, and then a further look can be seen. So probability of further downfall will be there. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Now look at the day wise chart, because see, day wise chart shows a clear picture where we can see, if you look at this particular trend, we have seen that if the price started going below a level of 2.7, we can see that the price will started falling, because from November of 24 we have seen the price has not touched this level, but if it keep moving below this level, we have seen this level in the month of September. Okay, so if it keep moving below a level of around 2.6, chances will be very high, we can see a further fall. But if it keep rising of this level, it can move towards 2.94, from there a level of $3.13, and once started rising of this level, probability of going towards 3.3, then to a level of 3.5 it can be seen, and if that sustain, a further upside will be there. But if it keep moving below that level, chance of going towards 2.73 will be there, then from there a further downfall can be seen towards a level of around $4 after crossing 2.6. Okay, best what I've told you, trail your SL by 0.15 if the price started going above a level of 3, or if it goes below a level of 2.8 exact, that is where you can trail your SL towards downside, so we can see a further